Hi everyone, good morning. Today we are going to discuss about a new topic that is fiscal year variant changes in ongoing business. Okay, why we need to change the fiscal year variant in ongoing business means I will give overview. Here in India, under one company we have three legal entities. Okay, they have one controlling area. They are running smoothly as of now. Suddenly, due to internal reasons, the management is taken a decision to sell one company code. Okay, out of three company codes, they are going to sell one company code. Who is purchasing that company? The management, top management is not in India. They are in a UK or US. For that reason, they want to change the fiscal year variant. Who sell the company? The company business operations will run in India, but the reporting functionalities it will be taken consideration as a calendar year, not non-calendar year. Indian fiscal year is a non-calendar year, right? For that reason, we are going to consider this fiscal year changes activity. This is also one kind of rollout project. We need to be consider rollout project. We have so many things need to perform the activities for here as well. Okay. See in next slides, what are the key activities needs to be performed? What are the considerations needs to be considered? Okay. Going for going for next slide. Is this agenda? What is a business requirement? And what is a functional deficits, that is a gap, how many solutions proposed, and the challenges in the proposed solutions, and what are the activities are involved, and deployment status means in a production how we are going to deploy, what are the pre activities we need to be performed. Business requirement, this is a X company. X means I given the some JCIL company. In this company, we have a three company code. This is a group company. In this group company, we have a three different legal entities is there under one controlling area. Under three legal entities, we need to perform the only one company code fiscal year variant changes. We would like to go for fiscal year variant changes. Current fiscal year variant is F3 and April to March, that is Indian fiscal year, and needs to be changed to the K4 only for this 3000 company code. What about remaining company codes? That is XYZ. That needs to be discussed about the further slides. Majorly, we are going to focus on this 3001. Okay. Requirement as mentioned is below. Want to short close the current fiscal year, December 2023, April to December, we need to perform the configuration changes for this one in the SAP system. Then we need to be set to the shortened fiscal year. Okay. Fiscal year variant changes should be effective current year January 24 onwards. Means after changes the short close the fiscal year, the new fiscal year variant will comes into the picture. That is calendar year K4. It will be January 24 onwards. It will be into the picture. Okay. No retrospective effect required for historic data. If you are running the smooth changes in the system, there is no uh, history of data means data inconsistency. Okay, it is not going to impact any data inconsistency if you are running the business properly. Okay, going for next slide. Functional deficits and gaps. While, while doing this activity, you can't change directly to the fiscal year variant. First we need to be perform the configuration changes a shortened fiscal year, then we need to be created the new fiscal year variant and it has to be assigned. The things will be there. There is a configuration changes and we have a cutover data processing involved to avoid the data inconsistency. If you not provide this configuration changes and cutover data processing properly, there will be a data inconsistency. Means which is already posted data is available in the system, right? Those data while clearing or while paying, while doing the payment for open invoices, then there will be inconsistency. Okay, There will be a possibility of data inconsistency system to override that one, to do the cutover activities properly. Then only we can able to achieve that one. Otherwise, it is a very difficult to process this one. Okay. I hope it is clear for everyone. If you have any questions, please let us know. Okay. Proposed solution approaches. These are the four solutions we proposed. Okay. Earlier we already discussed about, right? The X company have three legal entities at Indian region under one controlling area. Out of that, they want to perform the only 3000 company code wants to be used the existing controlling area. Okay, here go to fiscal year variant K4 and change the company code for 3000 with the existing controlling area. To use the existing controlling area for 3000, if you decided the fiscal year variant F3 for company code 4000 and company code 5000 remains as it is, but it will not able to post any transactions. Okay. Reason is this: all three company codes are assigned to the under one controlling area, and all the company codes have the data. In that case, assignment deletion is not possible. Okay. For that reason, we are mentioning here clearly. If we change the fiscal year variant K4 for company code only in existing controlling area, the fiscal year variant for F3 company code 4000 5000 will be remains and it will not able to post any transactions. Reason is while changing the controlling area level fiscal year variant, system will be verified the all the company codes level fiscal year variant. Okay, then system will not allow us to post the transactions to 4000 and 5000. For that reason, you need to be created the new company codes and new controlling area for 4000 5000 each. And then after creation of the new company codes, yes, it is you have to do the configuration changes, testing and unit testing and migration activities. Everything you need to be performed for that. This is solution one we proposed. Okay. We have one more solution to go for fiscal year variant change to one in for all company codes. 3000, 4000, 5000 all company code. If we change the fiscal year variant F3 to K4, it's a good. Okay, there is no required to create the new company codes, new controlling area for 4000 and 5000. All in one, all company codes will be perform the some cutover activities from the functional side, and we need to do the some testing from our end as well. It is done. It will be go smoothly. Solution 3. Sorry. Here, create a new company codes for each company having separate controlling area. Migrate only open transactions. For 4000 5000, you can create a new company codes and you can able to create the new controlling areas accordingly as per the requirement and then migrate open transactions. Maybe you think that if you create a only controlling area that is enough, right? That is your question means one controlling area has to be assigned one company code only. Okay, this company codes is already assigned one controlling area. Same company codes if you assign to the another controlling area, there is a inconsistency. System will not allows to you. For that reason, okay, under one controlling area they have a multiple company codes option, but one company code has to be only one controlling area. Okay, that case will be failed here. For that reason, we are going to asking to business to provide the we are going to provide the solution for the business to create the new company codes and new controlling area. Going forward, we should not use the old company codes for the 4000 5000. Okay, but that is going to be blocker status. I hope it is clear for you. Then solution 4. Create a new company codes for each company code having separate controlling area. Migrate complete data. Here we are asking to create all the new three company codes to create a new controlling area, new company codes, and migrate the data completely. Whatever the required, whatever the open transactions you have, those open transactions will be migrated accordingly. These are the four solutions as per the design of the system. Okay, in the based on after analyzing the system, we proposed these many solutions to the business. Which one they want to process, we will process accordingly. Okay, If they want to process one solution 1, yes, we can able to process. Solution 2, we can able to process. Solution 3, solution 4, like that. Either business will be choose only one solutions, those solutions we may be committed, and we have to do the changes accordingly in the system. Okay, I hope it is clear for everyone. Okay, I'm going for a new slide. Challenges in the proposed solutions. Challenges means Form 16 issue and asset accounting depreciation calculations issue will be there. Okay, these two are major challenges will come into the picture if we change the physical year variant in the existing business. Okay, or if you are creating a new company codes, then you have to run the Form 16 for all company codes. And asset accounting depreciation calculations, we need to thoroughly check for the where physical year variant has to be changed those company codes. If all are going to the rollout case, all the new legal entities is going to be created, then there won't be any issue. This kind of issues will become. But if you are using the existing controlling area, existing company codes to do the further changes, in that case there will be asset level depreciation calculations we need to be checked properly. And how need to be considered the Form 16, that needs to be checked with the accounts team. Okay, these are the challenges in the proposed solutions. Okay, these are the major two challenges: Form 16 and asset accounting depreciation calculation process. Okay, and what are the activities are involved here? How many activities are involved? If you are approaching for the new company codes, creation of new company codes, and configuration of all modules implemented, example ESD, MM, PP, yeah, PM, FSU, HCM, etc., and FSV, physically variant, chart of accounts creation. Okay, and creation of LSNW for data migration or BDC. Okay, this is a ECC system. That's why we are discussing about LSNW and BDC. If you have migration activities in S4HANA system, definitely we'll discuss about LTMC and all the LTMC or BODS tools. Those things will be discussed accordingly for that. Okay, this is the migration process while using migration of data from old company codes to the new company codes, and module wise unit testing, integration testing, and UAT from migration, and short close of current physical year variant, F3 to April to December. We need to be changed the existing physical year variant. We need to be change the periods. Normally in F3 you have a 12 periods, but in F3 we have to decrease to the 9 periods, and we have to close that physical year. Okay, while changing the short close of fiscal year, depreciation calculation as part of the cutover data, depreciation will be calculated for a short close fiscal year. Okay, need to be executed for this program. While short closing the fiscal year, then we need to be perform this program. Okay, uh, to calculate the proper depreciation. Okay, in this field we have set this field is calculated or not. Okay, recalculate the depreciation for shortened fiscal year. This reduces the planned depreciation for shortened fiscal year proportionately to the length of the shortened fiscal year transactions CFER. Okay. A reason is you very initially it is calculated for the 12 months depreciation. If you run the recalculate, then it will be a depreciation level calculations will be changed accordingly for that. Okay. Those needs to be considered. Okay. Fiscal year variant change F3 to K4 company costs 3000, 4000, 5000. Then how many company costs these changes is happening? This all the company costs, this depreciation calculation process we need to be cross checked. Okay, before going to the live, you have to thoroughly check UAT for fiscal year variant changes. What are the changes will comes to the into the system? Okay, those things are if you found any inconsistency in the system, accordingly needs to be verified for that. Okay, we need to understand the system. If it is not working, we need to communicate it to the how to proceed for other changes in the system based on the business discussions. Okay, These are the key activities are involved for the fiscal year variant changes. This is one of the business scenario. Maybe going further, maybe your business scenario different, but the steps of performing the activities is shuffled. Okay, but as per this scenario, these many steps we need to be activities involved. Okay, I'm going for the next slide, that is deployment. Here in the cutover side, to finalize the proposed solutions means we you proposed the solution into the business. The solution is 100% is working or not, you have to test from your side. You need to ask with the sandbox system access, and then we can able to test it how it is work. And successfully configuration in a sandbox same will be carried out in dev, which is that testing is happen at sandbox. On successful cases, all the same configurations will be carried out into the development system. Okay, unit testing, integration testing will be done in a dev client, that is a development client. And successful testing is done in a dev, the changes will be moved to the quality. Here the business users are involved into the system, and the UAT will be carried out here, carried out quality testing and all the things. If you have any questions accordingly, we can do the testing for that. Unsuccessful UAT changes will be moved to the production. Okay, before moving to production, if you need to perform the data migration activities, yes, we can able to perform the migration activities or cutover activities we need to be performed. Okay, even if you are creating the new company course, or if you are changing the fiscal year for existing companies, then we need to perform the cutover activities. Okay, few cutover activities will be there, so all the cutover activities needs to be performed. Go live and support. After go live, if you are facing any inconsistent, obviously we'll identify the inconsistency things in development system or a quality system. In case if you are not getting the any inconsistency errors in development or quality servers, then we'll see in a production system, we'll think if you don't have any inconsistencies, system will be go smoothly. Otherwise, if you have inconsistencies, we need to be check about the how to proceed to how to override the inconsistency data. Okay, here the business have a REST as a HR module as well. Okay, after this all the things is happened, then we need to check the possibilities for the modifications in accordingly for the HR module. Okay, that HR consultant will be taken care. What are the possibilities how to make the modifications accordingly? Okay, which are the points we discussed earlier screens before the screens. First, we need to be test all the above steps will be carried out in a sandbox first. Okay, in-depth testing has to be done. Reason is, if we once we move to the data changes into the production, if we get any inconsistency in the system, this activity SAP will not support us. SAP is saying directly the physically change activity, if you are getting the data inconsistency, that is consultant problem, it's not SAP. Okay, by the directly, SAP is not suggesting to implement this kind of scenarios. SAP is suggesting take a rollout project and remove the leave it as a old company codes and create a new company codes, new requirements. Then you can go for the achieve the requirement. That is a better way. SAP is suggesting. If you are using existing ongoing businesses, if you want to change the arc level changes, means organizational structure level changes, then SAP will not support us. Okay, for that reason, we need to be checked thoroughly for the data inconsistency accesses in the system. Okay, then only we can able to give the solutions for the finalized solutions, how to proceed further. Okay, I hope it is clear for everyone. Okay, you have any doubts, please let me know. We'll discuss more on that one. This is a small concept where fiscal year variant changes. It's a 2 months or 3 months project. Okay, or like rollout. Thank you all.